million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some synthetic drip. And it's from one of our really good friends. And y'all know that's Sam's Beauty. Y'all, I order a ton of Sam's Beauty's wig. As a matter of fact, I'm looking at some that I ordered. They're older wigs, but I want to do an update video, y'all. Let me show y'all that I don't be lying. It's over on my stool. Right? That's some old sensational units that I got from Sam's Beauty. Elite Babe, Head Turner. What is the other one? Elite Babe, Head Turner. And it's another one. Anyway, some of those are my favorite wigs. I just ordered them from Sam's Beauty. So I order a lot from them. They were nice enough to send us over 3 units as we continue our Reds and Blonde series. And I'm so happy when they send us this brand, Studio Cuts, because I really can't find Studio Cut anywhere else other than Sam's Beauty, and we have found some winners. So if you look it down in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig, but you will also see all of Sam's Beauty's social medias, okay? Like I said, this one is by Studio Cut. It is in the style, this is the only thing I hate about this line, they don't give them names like it's numbers. This is in the style DPL012, and the color is OT Red Wine. 012 comes with a natural deep lace part. It is soft Swiss lace, blah, 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 right? That's her on the stock card. It's hard for me to remember wigs with no name, but they have numbers like this. But I can say, if you go back and look at the channel, I try to plug some in. We've reviewed other wigs in this line by Sam's Beauty, and we have absolutely loved them. I just can't call them off the top of my head because they was numbers, and I failed at math. College algebra, I barely made it through. Look at 12. Very cute. Loose waves, and y'all know that's one of my go-to styles. You get that comb in the back and adjustable straps. She came with lace that I've cut off. She also has a comb to the right, a comb to the left, and I've sprayed, you see, kind of haphazardly, my tinting spray on this bad boy. Because I don't want to waste your time. We already 2 minutes in, okay? I'm gonna put 12 on my head, and then I'm gonna come back with my Y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on DPL012, and I absolutely love this wig, but y'all know this wig, this style is right up my alley. I love a short, messy bob. Of course, we're in our Red and Blonde series, so hence the color, but y'all, this would be bomb as the heck in a black. And I ain't tell y'all, she comes in tons of other colors too. Shoot, it don't say it on here, but she does come in like a copper. She comes in blonde. I want to say she comes in 613, and of course she comes in natural colors too. But this wig is bomb. It is a little shiny here on the dark rooting, so I would use dry shampoo on this. But as far as shedding and tangling, because of this length, I'm not getting any. I 1000% recommend this wig, because although I'm not sure when this is being uploaded, We moving into October. Where I live, it is still hot as heck, right? So I love a short little bop like this to where I'm not about to pass out from the heat stroke. So I definitely recommend this one. Like I said, they sent over SamsBeauty sent over 2 other units for us to review as we finish this red and blonde series, which right now we probably like on wig 20, but y'all, we're gonna go to about 40. So buckle up, buttercup. Like I always say, maybe you aren't into wigs. Maybe it's your TT Buttercup. Maybe it's your Uncle Buttercup, whichever one, send it my way. Me, SamsBeauty, we gonna get them right. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon. Bye. Lord, where the clicker, y'all?